All right, so this is another short video. If you've been watching this channel, we've been showing there's a lot of videos in this channel about this Chevy Express cargo van and how to deal with it and its problems. Um, this van has no major issues. Basically, everything can be fixed. It has a wide engine, wide working area, and uh, if you just look at some of these videos, you can see how easy it can be to fix it. So this is another video of showing how to remove this doghouse here in this doghouse here, which is the engine cover. um, to remove it, you're gonna have to go through a few steps. The first step is the first step is to remove this panel here on this side here, and there's another panel there on the left side similar to this one, and it attaches here. You can see these holes here, one here and one on this other side, 10mm bolts. Then you pull, the panel comes off. There's another one on the other side. Then you come here to the center. There's under here, there's two bolts here, one here, in here. You can see it right in there, like under in there. One is in here, and there's another one here. Those are 10mm bolts. Remove those two bolts. Then you come here to the cup holder here. Inside the cup holder, inside here, you can see in here, there's two more 10mm bolts right in there, like inside there. I can see it. Okay, just put a light into it. Right in there, inside the cup holder, right there. You see that? You see that? That's a bolt, and there's another. There's two 10mm bolts. So you remove those two 10mm bolts under the cup holder. Two 10mm bolts right there on top. From the lighter, you'll see them there, and this piece here will come out. This whole piece will come out. When this piece comes out, now you go to the engine cover itself, the doghouse itself. You can see there's a clip there under here. When you remove this, you'll see two more clips here, and on the other side, on the passenger side, you see another clip. These clips are easy. You just pull them. They just unlock, like they just unclip like that. You just unclip them. You know, they're just a basic clip like that. You just unclip them. It's four of them. That's one. There's two in the front when you remove this cup holder, and then there's another one on the other side. If to take the whole doghouse, the whole engine cover out, to me it seems like you have to remove one of the seats. You have to remove one of either the passenger seat or the driver's seat for that thing to come out all the way out, because it pulls out all the way here, and there's not enough room to pull the whole thing out. So for the whole thing to come out, you're gonna have to remove one of either the passenger seat or the driver's seat, but most likely it's the passenger seat. If you pull out if you take out the passenger seat, it can come out through that side. But some things you can work on it without even removing the whole cover. Some of the things can be worked on without removing the whole cover. It depends with your situation. For now, we are fixing the distributor in this vehicle. So we'll make another video. Keep checking this channel, and we'll make more videos as we go along in this process. So this video is basically how to remove the engine cover. Let me know if you have any questions, or you can leave your comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, hope you have a good day. Bye.